morning, children. I am your phonics teacher. My name is Monali teacher. So today I am going to teach you phonics sounds. Let's start. Letter A, letter A. What do you say? Letter A says ah, ah, ah. Letter B. What do you say? Letter B says b, b, b. Letter C. What do you say? Letter C says k, k, k. Letter D. What do you say? Letter D says d, d, d. Letter E. What do you say? Letter E says ah, ah, ah. Letter F. What do you say? Letter F says Letter G. What do you say? Letter G says g, g, g. Letter H. What do you say? Letter H says Letter I. What do you say? Letter I says I, I. Letter J. What do you say? Letter J says J, J, J. Letter K. What do you say? Letter K says K, K, K. Letter L. What do you say? Letter L says Letter M. What do you say? Letter M says Letter N. What do you say? Letter N says Letter O. What do you say? Letter O says ah. Letter P. What do you say? Letter P says Letter Q. What do you say? Letter Q says w. Letter R. What do you say? Letter R says r. Letter S. What do you say? Letter S says s. Letter T. What do you say? Letter T says t, t, t. Letter U. What do you say? Letter U says ah. Letter V. What do you say? Letter V says v. Letter W. What do you say? Letter W says w. Letter X. What do you say? Letter X says x. Letter Y. What do you say? Letter Y says y. Letter Z. What do you say? Letter Z says z. So, this all are phonics sounds. So, we have done with phonics sound. You all practice at home. Thank you.